demographics, and public health. With age, you really have to know your audience, depending on age of who you want to target. With public health, it has to do with a lot of prevention strategies and programs that contribute to the overall health. If you want to reach out to kids, make sure whatever you use has bright colors, simple words, and a lot of pictures to make it interesting and fun for them to look at and possibly want to actually contribute to that program. If you want to reach out to teenagers, make sure you use mediums that they would actually use so they can actually see what you're trying to reach out to them for. For example, a lot of teenagers use social media, so that would be a great tool to use to reach out to them. For adults, just make sure you're using words that a common person would know. We have to remember that an average American can only read at a 6th grade reading level. So we have to make sure we state the word, and then we also have to explain it so they know what we are talking about. Next, I want to talk about gender. And in public health, there's a lot of distinguishing who your audience is by gender, dealing with health issues. So there are certain cancers that only males can get, or even only females can get. So we really have to distinguish who our audience is and who should be reading this. And you also have to think about there's different reproductive systems within the male and female. So if you want to reach out to a female about giving birth, you would have to make sure you're targeting women and not males. And then next I want to talk about is demographics. This is very important in public health. You really have to know your community that you're trying to reach out to. You want to look at the health, the main health concerns within that community, and then what changes you can do to fix this problem. And then once you have a solution, you want to be able to reach out to the community and relay this information to them. For example, if you're in a city with a general population who has a low income status, you generally will find a correlation between money and health. If you worked at a hospital, you would want to find a way to be able to lower prices, increase access to care, and have the available transportation for those who do not have any. All three of these aspects are very important to really know your audience and to be able to reach out to them in an effective way. So remember, you need to know age, gender, and demographics in public health to really know your audience.